Looking to find the best sawhorses for your workshop projects? You've come to the right place. In this video, we'll guide you through everything you need to know to make an informed decision. From material durability and weight capacity to ease of setup and additional features, we'll break down the key factors to consider. Stick around as we compare top brands, highlight their pros and cons, and help you find the perfect sawhorses to fit your needs. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional carpenter, this guide is for you. All the products featured in this video can be found in the description below. For more comprehensive analysis and handy comparison, please visit our website at smartpicked.com. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to keep up with our latest updates. Now, let's jump into the listicle. Number 5. Metabo HPT Sawhorses. Meet your new workshop hero, the Metabo HPT Sawhorses. Folding 1,200 pounds. Capacity 2-pack. These sawhorses are a game changer. Lightweight and extremely portable. Each sawhorse weighs in at just 5.5 pounds. You can easily carry or store them without breaking a sweat. Their fold-flat design makes them perfect for both small spaces and on-the-go use. What makes these sawhorses a cut above the rest? Versatility. The top rail slots for 2x4s and pipes mean they handle a variety of tasks seamlessly. Adding sawbucks into the mix just boosts their utility, letting you cross-cut dimensioned lumber effortlessly. One feature you'll love is the cable tidy molded right into the legs. No more tripping over tangled cords. Everything stays neat and out of the way. While their narrow leg spread could use some improvement for better stability, it hardly diminishes their overall effectiveness. You'll find their competitive price a great value, given all the features packed into these sawhorses. The Metabo HPT Sawhorses stand out in their category, making them the best portable option around. With high load capacity, ease of use, and flexibility, they elevate your work experience. Number 4. ToughBuilt Sawhorse. Get ready to elevate your woodworking projects with the ToughBuilt Sawhorse 1,100-pound capacity 2-pack. These sawhorses impress with their durable build and competitive price. Crafted from high-quality steel, they resist corrosion and promise long-lasting performance, making them an excellent choice for any DIY enthusiast. One of the best features is the impressive 2,200-pound capacity per pair. This means you can rely on these sawhorses to support heavy loads without a hitch. Despite their robust build, each one weighs just 13.5 pounds, making them remarkably easy to carry around. They even fold up neatly, and the built-in handle adds to the convenience. Though they lack height adjustment, the compact design keeps them lightweight and portable. If a low working height suits your tasks, these are unbeatable. The sawhorse ends accept 2x4s, allowing you to quickly create a sturdy work table, a great boon for making temporary workstations. Flip-out braces for mounting sheet material stand out as a unique feature. They make upright cutting a breeze, adding versatility to your tasks. However, at 28.5 inches, the height might be a bit low for some users. These minor drawbacks don't overshadow the overall value. For durable, versatile, and portable sawhorses, the ToughBuilt Sawhorse set is hard to beat. Dive deeper to discover how they can transform your work setup. Still searching for the perfect sawhorse? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed. Number 3. WORX. WORX 065 clamping sawhorses with bar clamps. These WORX WX 065 clamping sawhorses are a game changer for light-duty tasks. With a capacity to support up to 1,000 pounds, you've got a reliable partner for those DIY projects. The standout feature is the detachable bar clamps. They work both independently and within the sawhorse, offering 300 pounds of clamping pressure in either a horizontal or vertical position. Transporting or storing these sawhorses is a breeze, since each weighs just 4 pounds. Their compact design means you can tuck them away without taking up much space. One of the big pros is the built-in cable hooks and shelf. It keeps your workspace neat and tools within easy reach, streamlining your work process. Now, let's talk drawbacks. Sure, the plastic isn't the toughest out there. It might not handle heavy impacts as well as some other materials. However, as long as you're mindful, it shouldn't be a huge issue. The added cost of the clamps might make you think twice, but their versatility makes it worth the investment. What really wins you over, though, is the clamp's versatility. Switching between horizontal and vertical clamping adds a lot of value. Overall, these WORX sawhorses shine for light-duty work. If you're on the lookout for a solid, versatile sawhorse, dive deeper into what the WORX WX065 can offer you. Number 2. Bora Portamate Speedhorse Sawhorse. Meet the Bora Portamate Speedhorse Sawhorse, your new workshop game changer. This heavy-duty pair of sawhorses impresses with both quality and function. From the moment you unfold them, you'll notice their sturdy construction and thoughtful design. These durable sawhorses can handle a remarkable 2,000 pounds, making them perfect for any hefty project. The folding design means transporting them is a breeze, ideal for anyone on the move. Adjustable legs give you the flexibility to customize your setup, ensuring a stable work environment on any terrain. One of the standout features is the ability to support both 2x4 and 4x4 wood panels. This versatility opens up countless possibilities for different tasks, whether you're tackling a weekend DIY project or a professional construction job. The blade adjustment feature also adds an ergonomic touch, enhancing comfort and ease of use. A minor drawback is that the legs can occasionally jam when folding. While this might be slightly frustrating, it's a small price to pay for what is otherwise a top-notch product. Portamate, Speedhorse. Sawhorses are an excellent runner-up choice in your search for the best sawhorses. Try them out and see how they elevate your productivity and efficiency. Check out this product and revolutionize your workspace. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. ToughBuilt C700 Folding Sawhorse. Meet your next workshop essential, the ToughBuilt C700 Folding Sawhorse. Known for its rugged design and impressive versatility, this sawhorse supports a massive 1,300 pounds. When compared to similar models, the ToughBuilt's 100% powder-coated, zinc-plated steel construction stands out. This feature not only ensures durability, but also resists corrosion, keeping your sawhorse in tip-top shape. Imagine working on uneven terrain. No problem with its individually adjustable legs. Customize your work height with ease, an absolute game changer. Portability shines with the folding design and grip handle. Easily tuck it away in compact spaces or carry it to different job sites without breaking a sweat. The fold-out pegs are a delightful bonus. When not in use, they lay flat, but unfold them, and you have perfect supports for cutting PVC pipe or hanging tools. Creating a job site table is a breeze with slide-out end supports. Fit 2x4S or 4x4S securely, turning two sawhorses into a stable setup. The sandpaper surface on top grips boards firmly, and pre-drilled holes let you secure items with confidence. What I love most is its versatility and sturdy feel. However, while the adjustable legs are fantastic, sometimes aligning them perfectly can be tricky. But a little patience pays off for the stability you get. The ToughBuilt C700 offers unparalleled support, durability, and versatility, making it the best overall sawhorse. That's a wrap! We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best sawhorses. If you did, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and clicking the subscribe button. Additionally, feel free to share in the comments which sawhorse you're considering. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.